Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make soufflé without eggs. First, understand that a successful eggless soufflé relies on a strong base and effective leavening. We'll use a thick bechamel as our foundation, ensuring it's robust enough to hold air. Then, carefully selected leavening agents will provide that signature airy texture and impressive rise. It's all about balancing ingredients for a delightful, fluffy result. To begin, create your bechamel base. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for 1 minute to form a smooth roux. Slowly pour in 1 cup of your preferred plant-based milk, like almond or soy, continuously whisking until the mixture thickens to a creamy consistency. This rich base is crucial for your soufflé's structure. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying these tips, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fantastic. You can find the link for that, plus other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, prepare your ramekins by greasing them with butter and dusting lightly with sugar for a crisp crust. Carefully fold 1 teaspoon of baking powder into your cooled bechamel base until just combined, being gentle to incorporate air. Pour the mixture into your prepared ramekins. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until golden and puffed high.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.